Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will give you the best homemade pizza recipe. Let's start preparing pizza. First, I put 5 cups of flour into kneading bowl. I make a hole in the middle of it. Then I add a teaspoon sugar and 10 grams dry yeast. Then I add a cup of warm water on it and stir it a little. We shouldn't add salt at that moment because yeast doesn't like salt. Then I pour a cup of milk and a quarter cup of olive oil on it. I stir a little. Now I can add a teaspoon of salt and mix again. Let's start kneading the dough. The dough should be soft and a little sticky. Now I wrap it with stretch wrap, then cover it, and I leave it to rise for 30 minutes. Time is over. I can open the stretch wrap. First I sprinkle little flour on the table. And I take the dough on it. I knead the dough a little. I split the dough into 3 pieces. I roll like a ball every pieces of dough and cover them not to dry. I'm gonna use rolling pin to roll the dough into a circle. Also, you can use your hands to flatten and stretch the dough until it reaches the desired width. Now I take the dough on the oven tray, but first I put the grease-proof paper on it. Now I spread tomato sauce on the dough. At the bottom I put mozzarella cheese. Totally I use 250 grams mozzarella cheese for 3 pizza. And then you can put things you love on it. I'm gonna put Turkish sucuk, green pepper, red pepper, mushrooms, and tomatoes. Now I bake it in the preheated 180 degrees oven about 30 minutes. My perfect pizza is ready. You can slice and serve it. Bon appetit! If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. See you!